Welcome to Career Sneak Peek. If you're loving what we do here, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. We're excited to have you here. Today, let's delve into the intriguing world of financial planning and analysis analysts. But first, what exactly does an FP&A analyst do? In a nutshell, they play a crucial role in helping businesses with financial planning, budgeting, forecasting, and analyzing the overall financial performance of a company. On our scale, we rate the salary score of this career 4 out of 5 stars. Entry difficulty is rated 3 out of 5, indicating a moderate level of challenge since it's not a career you can jump into straight away. In terms of stress score and job satisfaction, we rate both at 3 out of 5 stars. So, what are the educational requirements? Well, typically, you'll need a 4-year bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or economics. Additionally, 1 to 3 years of prior work experience in the finance or accounting field is highly desirable. Many companies also prefer candidates with a certified public accountant, CPA, certification or equivalent experience in accounting or finance. Interesting statistics alert. Did you know that about 53% of financial analysts hold a bachelor's degree, while 33% have an associate degree or certifications? Surprisingly, even 7% of them have a high school diploma. Let's talk numbers now, starting with the average starting salary for an FP&A analyst, which sits around $90,000. However, keep in mind that the range can vary, with salaries ranging from $60,000 on the lower end to $130,000 on the higher end. Now, let's explore the career progression in this field. Speaking of salaries, we asked financial analysts how satisfied they were with their earnings. Out of 1,200 analysts surveyed, the average satisfaction rating for salary was 3.4 stars out of 5. Impressively, 16% rated it 5 stars, 35% 4 stars, 28% 3 stars, and only 23% gave it 2 stars or less. It's safe to say that the majority of financial analysts have a positive view of their salary. Now, let's take a look at the work environment. We asked 1,400 financial analysts to rate their enjoyment of the workplace, and the average rating came out to 3.2 stars out of 5. With 14% giving it 5 stars, 30% 4 stars, 26% 3 stars, and 30% rating it 2 stars or less, it's evident that most financial analysts find their work environment enjoyable. As an FP&A analyst, you'll be involved in a range of important duties, such as assisting the accounting department with month-end activities. Working closely with the human resources department to ensure accurate employee records, analyzing company metrics for trends and anomalies. Providing financial advice and risk assessment to organization leaders, and collaborating with company executives to develop the annual financial budget. As an FP&A analyst, you'll begin your journey as an analyst, with opportunities to climb the ladder to managerial positions, director roles, and eventually even become a vice president or chief financial officer, CFO, of a company. That concludes our sneak peek into the world of financial planning and analysis analysts. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If there are any other careers you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.